Hi, my name is Boris and welcome to Cosmic Trading. And today was a nice little green day. Anyways, we're gonna cover SPX, Aapl, Pltr, Uranium, and Costco. Let's start with SPX real quick. So just like I said yesterday, we'll probably move another 0.5%, which is exactly what happened. And as you can see, we got rejected by the second red line right there. It's a very tiny, slight rejection, but nonetheless, it shows a sign of weakness. So that means tomorrow, don't be surprised if we fall about 0.6% and use the bottom red line as support again. Just like I said, it's very possible that we might trade sideways inside this tunnel, but we'll see what happens. Now let's move on to Aapl. So Aapl did break this level 3 downtrend, which is awesome. Now we're pretty much at a level 2 downtrend and we are about 2.5% away from it. Now let's move on to Pltr. Man, oh man, Pltr did not just break gap 1, it just went way above and beyond and just keep going. This thing's a monster. Wow. So this is looking really awesome for Pltr right now. Since it's way above and beyond, let's update this downtrend to the overall downtrend and see where we're at. So in terms of the overall downtrend at level 1, we haven't fully broken out just yet. Right now we are struggling with gap 1, and as you can see, we got a slight rejection. Now if we start dropping, then this purple line might be used as a support, and if the news get really bad, then we might, you know, do our next leg down from here on out. But my thing is, we'll probably use this white line as support. Very likely use this. This is a very strong support area, so I don't think it's gonna drop more than 13%. Again, that's my opinion. Now let's move on to uranium. Uranium also did a nice little breakout. We were struggling with this level 3 downtrend for a little while, and now it just went above and beyond. Now the reason I never updated the uranium downtrends is because I wanted to learn the different reaction between multiple downtrend measurements. I wanted to take this small downtrend, the overall average, and then take the overall average of the main, all of it together, and see how it interact with one another. And as you can see, we did use this area as support for the main full downtrend, and then we were also using the smaller downtrend as support around the bottom area, because as you can see, this measurement was taken from March to January, and we still use this area as support and bounce off of it. So there's a little dance going on between all the trend measurement all at the same time. But since we broke this, I think it's time to take a overall downtrend measurement and clean this up a little bit. So the overall downtrend, as you can see, we are trading at a level 1, but currently we are struggling with the level 3 downtrend. We just got a slight rejection right here. Very interesting. I feel like I'm learning something new every day. Alright, now let's move on to Costco. So as you can see, Costco did break gap 2 finally, and now we are using it as support. As you can see, those two nice little wick, which is actually good news for Costco. So we're probably gonna have another 1.5% to the upside before we encounter some resistance. And yeah, it should be an interesting week. We have a lot of earnings this week. Anyways, I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time.